What is aircraft maintenance engineering? Aircraft maintenance engineering is a professional licensing course that focuses on maintenance and upkeep of aircrafts. What is the importance of aircraft maintenance engineer? Licensed aircraft maintenance engineer is a licensed person who carries out and certifies aircraft maintenance. The license is widespread internationally and is recognized by the International Civil Aviation Organization. As per the rules and regulations, a licensed AME certifies aircraft is airworthy and safe for flying before it undertakes any flight. Who can join aircraft maintenance engineering course? Students who completed 10+2 with physics, chemistry and mathematics or 3-year diploma in mechanical, electrical or electronics can join aircraft maintenance engineering training. Who is approval authority of AME license in India? The Directorate General of Civil Aviation is a statutory body of the Government of India to regulate civil aviation in India. The DGCA also coordinates all regulatory functions with the International Civil Aviation Organization. Rules and regulations for aircraft maintenance engineering training were issued in CAR 147, Basic, by DGCA, Government of India. Where to study aircraft maintenance engineering course? In India, Sha-Shib Group of institutions owns 9 aircraft maintenance engineering colleges and a flying training organization approved by DGCA Government of India. Sha-Shib Group is the largest group in South Asia imparting training in the field of aircraft maintenance engineering training. Aircraft Maintenance Engineering Institutes. Institute of Aeronautics and Engineering, Bhopal. Indian Aerospace and Engineering, Navi Mumbai. Hindustan Aerospace and Engineering, Pune. Academy of Aviation and Engineering, Bangalore. Sha-Shib Aviation Academy, Cochin. Utkal Aerospace and Engineering, Bhubaneswar. Sha-Shib Aerospace and Engineering, Gurugram. Sha-Shib Flying Academy, Guna. Aerospace Research and Development Center, Jamshedpur. For more information and admissions, please feel free to contact us.